Alright, what's going on everyone? So, today we are going to shoot this truck with turbo paint. Rustoleum. So, this is what we'll be using. So what we've done here is we got this one and this one. We've sanded them both down. We put them both under primer, traditional automotive primer. And this one we're going to shoot with traditional automotive paint. And this one we're going to shoot with Rustoleum. So we'll see which one turns out better. So we will, we got it sanded down, primered, and now we are got it all wet sanded down, and now we got to get them all cleaned up and ready for paint. Alright, so we got them. Zach went around and just brushed them all off with a dry rag, and we went around and tacked them all. So yeah, we got the first coat tacked, and now we'll do a second coat once this all dries, and then we'll be on to doing some shooting. Yeah. Are you mixing that 4 to 1 to 1?
Yeah. No, 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
2 to 1.
Zach's over there mixing up the paint right now, so we can shoot this bad girl.
I bet I won't get it messy mixing this paint.
Well, you wouldn't have got as messy the last time if you didn't spill it. Check out part 1 of painting in the bloopers reel. It's great. Zach thought it would be best to paint the floor, his shoes, and the bench, but nah, wasn't a good idea.
I needed primer.
So, we got this girl all tacked down. Still maybe just a little damp. We're gonna get that sprayed up. He's doing his mixing. I think I just got that on film. And this girl's all tacked down, ready for paint as well. So we will get to see which one turns out the best. Longevity, I know I said it in like part 2 of this series. I don't think will be as what we're all looking for. Is we're gonna rattle can this one, and we're gonna clear coat over top of it, which a lot of people's not doing that, but that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, as soon as he gets his stuff all mixed up to the right ratios, then we will be ready to shoot some paint. Alright, Zach's got it mixed to the proper
wide coverage. Afraid if I keep hitting it, it's going to get on too thick and we're going to have to do it again.
Yeah.
Oh, that part's not going to look good. I don't like it.
Huh?
I don't like it.
Why?
It's coming out all spotty.
Fish eyeing?
Huh?
Fish eyeing?
It's basically, yeah. All spotty. Like thick spots, thin spots, look at all the speckles.
Huh. I wonder if that'll disappear in the second coat.
I'm hoping. I mean, it probably looked good from 60 feet away at 60 miles an hour, but it'll look better than multicolor.
This is true.
Respirator might be a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Uh-oh. Empty.
Gotta mix up another coat and probably throw some respirators on. Then you gotta pick your nose and an itch and it just, you can't get to it. So we got our can't breathe apparatuses on though. So, it turned it out too bad, but it's got a bunch of little speckles in it that
Yeah, hopefully it comes
you can kind of see, but hopefully on coat number 2 it'll
covered.
cover.
Either will or it won't.
But the videos I have watched said there's going to be a bunch of fish eye. Everyone's had fish eye problems, so I don't know, we'll see.
Rustoleum.
If we must admit, every one of us in this shop hates Rustoleum.
But here I am.
But
spraying
here,
the truck with
here
Rustoleum.
exactly. Krylon, get it together. Work turn, God take it. Alright, well, she's white. So, we're getting ready to, Zach is adjusting putting his mask on, going to adjust his air pressure just right. Make sure he gets all his measurements just right. And we'll be ready, look at him.
Oh no, trigger's a little sticky.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get this mask on, we're gonna get this shot.
Oh, covered. I have a speckled paint job. I hope I'm not going to have a speckled paint job. Looks like I might.
Well, worst thing happened, we set it back down and
Do it again? No, if I want to do that.
well, I have a
In
gallon.
the tow truck.
I should have enough paint to shoot it.
That's the end of that.
Did you see that? I'm so good, I had it ready for him.
First time for everything. Whoa! 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 Whoa. Whoa.
That shot a pretty different color.
Well, that sucks. Blend. Might have to hit that again to get it to blend. Let's see it come out yellow. Horse crap.
His first run of the day.
I know, they're doing good. You jacked that hole up.
Second coat, bud. It gets you every time. Got me on this track last time.
I know. There's rust holes on the bottom of the tailgate. Again, not a show trick. I don't even want to do it. What do you want to do with all that stuff?
Put the skids back over there, and the piece of plywood can just go between the garage and the box.
Okay, and then wires and stuff can go in here?
Yeah, in here. Just bring them in.
Yeah. What was that? Is that a bug?
Yeah.
Not empty.
Time to get another one.
Boy, it's gonna be close. Like, really close.
I think
Really close.
it hit that back part of your cab.
Oh, the whole top of the cab is down, but... Yeah, it's killed. Oh, bullcrap. Uh-oh.
Alright, sorry guys, this is going to be a little bit shorter of a video, but we got it all hit, and it looks great. It's really fish-eye, and we got it all done with 5 cans. The guys that's doing full-size trucks with 3 and 4, I don't know how they're doing it. Unless they're just doing 1 coat. We did 2 coats on this. But it looks really, really good. So that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.